So right here, I have planted several types of mulberries. Mulberries are actually one of our favorite fruit trees. I suggest everyone grow some mulberries because first of all, you can grow them from cuttings. All these trees here were from cuttings. So the first one, I believe that's a ever-bearing mulberry, and then I also planted next to it a lavender or whitish mulberry. A couple of those, and I also have some Pakistan mulberries here. These are all from cuttings, and they've taken very well. I do have them planted pretty close. When I looked, I was like, crap, I have 6 mulberries planted in a line. So I might dig up 2 of them and move them in another area. 1, 2, 3. This is the Pakistan, which grows the long mulberries. And then I got this guy, which was different. I thought he was a Persian mulberry, but when I got it, they said, no, he's a weeping mulberry. So you can kind of see his leaves. I mean, not the leaves, but the branches are very flexible. I can kind of see why he would weep once he got bigger and the leaves got, and the branches got heavier. So yeah, this is a weeping mulberry, and it had really big mulberries on them that were like fat, similar to the Persian. So I think right now we have about 7 varieties. I have some that I got that are cuttings that I'm trying to root right now. I have a white Pakistan and a regular white, and I think Persian that I'm trying to root right now. But I love mulberry trees. They grow fast. They're the first to get fruit in the spring, and they usually get a lot of fruit, and they grow very fast. And out here in the desert, we're creating a food forest, and we need things to grow fast. And then these here are the half apricot, half plums. And I got 3. I got 1, 2, 3 of those planted here. And then this guy here is a chase tree that I dug up from another area because the vole had ate the root. But it still had quite a root left. Quite a bit of the root was still left. So I transplanted it over here, and we're going to see if he's going to catch. Usually chase trees are really good at, you can actually dig them up and the dirt can fall off the root and everything, and they usually come right back. So we're going to see how he does in about a month. Hopefully I'll see some new growth.